Hello everyone, my name is Ekta Tomar. I am currently pursuing my BSc from TSS College. I am glad to start the discussion. I got the opportunity to start the discussion, and the topic is given to us for discussion is unemployment at SOMS Academy. Uh, in my opinion, it is topic of sensitive relevance. Now I invite you to participate this discussion.
My name is Gungun Gupta. I am pursuing BCom final year from Government Girls College.
Now we are discuss about unemployment. In my point of views, the major cause of problem of unemployment is defective education system, due to which student and people lack of skills. Our education department more focuses on theoretical knowledge as compare of practical knowledge. They give us a lot of that's why student facing lack of skills problem. So this is the biggest problem of unemployment.
Yes, ma'am, I am agree with you, but I want to add this. The main cause of unemployment in India, the population explosion day by day. So job opportunities are some level, but candidates are more for the job. Secondly, I think caste system, in which deserving candidates not get the job just because they belong to a particular caste and communities.
Yes, ma'am, I agree with your points. But the another reason of unemployment is after independence, our economic growth rate are slowed down. But due to which unemployment raises in our country when the economic growth rate are slowed down, COVID-19 took place, in which our economic growth rate are slowed down and many people unemployed in our country due to this pandemic.
Yes, ma'am, but you have also some ideas apart from it.
Yes, ma'am. I have some ideas apart from it. Just per capita income has also decreased with rapid increase of population. And COVID-19 is a big reason for unemployment because many small industries are going to be closed during the time of pandemic. Ma'am, you also have a part of time?
Yes, agriculture, because more of the people depends on agriculture. So now we are using capital intensive technique in agriculture, of more focus on the level intensive, so the people can engage and get employment.
Yes, ma'am, I agree with your points, but I want to add this. As you tell now, our country is agriculture based country, but the countries which are more developed, they are industrial based countries. So we should set up industries in our country, so that more people can be get employed. So final conclusion that we get, we should take measures, steps to solve unemployment problems. First of all, our education system should be modified, and second of all, new industries should be set up, created opportunities for employment.
Yes, ma'am. Third step is we should take to control the populations, and cottage industries are set up in villages and towns.
Yes, ma'am. So these steps should be taken to solve problem of unemployment, may be reduced. So friends, hope you like our discussion. Thank you very much.